Welcome to my course. My name is Yaqut. I'm Moroccan and I love spending time cooking delicious food, especially Moroccan traditional meals. The most popular and beloved dish in Morocco is pastilla or bastilla. I will show you in this course the easiest way to make the authentic pastilla yourself. I hope you enjoy this wonderful Moroccan pastilla recipe. So let's start. Ingredients for the chicken filling: 500 grams of chicken, 500 grams of onions finely chopped, 3 tablespoons of parsley finely chopped, 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, 1 teaspoon of ginger powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of pepper, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, a large pinch of saffron, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, and 1 big cup of water. Ingredients for the eggs filling: 4 eggs. Ingredients for the almonds filling: 100 grams of almonds, 100 grams of powdered sugar, 1 tablespoon of cinnamon powder, 2 tablespoons of orange blossom water, and oil for frying. Ingredients for dough: phyllo dough, 1 cup of melted butter. Step 1. How to make the chicken filling. On medium heat, drizzle the oil in your pan, add the onions, add parsley, add spices, and mix well. Add the chicken, cover your pan and let the chicken cook for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, add water to the chicken. Increase the heat to high and cover your pan and let the chicken cook for 20 to 30 minutes. To check if your chicken is cooked, poke the meat with a fork. It will pull off the bone easily. When the chicken is cooked, remove it from the sauce, let it cool down. Then separate the meat from the bone. Shred the meat into small pieces. Step 2. How to make the eggs filling. Add the 4 eggs to the sauce where the chicken was cooked. Lower the heat and stir the eggs into the sauce. Do not cover your pan and let the sauce evaporate. Keep stirring from time to time. The egg mixture should become dry after 5 to 10 minutes. Then, transfer them to a colander and let all the excess water drain out. Step 3. How to make the almonds filling. To blanch almonds, start by bringing a pot of water to a boil. Once the water is boiling, turn off the heat and put the almonds in the water. Let the almonds sit in the water for 2 minutes. and then use your fingers to pinch off the skins. Heat 1 cup of vegetable oil in skillet over medium heat for about 3 minutes. Test the oil by dropping in an almond. Fry the almonds in the oil until they become golden brown. Remove the almonds from the oil and let cool down. Process the almonds with the powdered sugar, cinnamon, and orange blossom water in a food processor until the almonds are crushed. Step 4. Assemble the pastilla. Cut the phyllo sheets with a pair of scissors in half. Fold the phyllo pastry into two. Take a round cake mold or tart ring and brush it with melted butter. Place the folded phyllo pastry sheets around the baking pan and brush the phyllo pastry with melted butter. Spread the egg mixture in the middle of the pan. Cover it with one layer of phyllo pastry. Brush the phyllo pastry with melted butter. Spread the chicken pieces. Cover them with one layer of phyllo pastry. Brush the phyllo pastry with melted butter. Spread the almond mixture. Carefully fold over the phyllo dough on all sides and brush the top of the pastry with melted butter. pastilla is now ready for baking. Place the pastilla in the oven for 10 to 15 minutes. Remove the tart ring, then flip the pastilla and bake for another 15 to 20 minutes or until golden. Step 5. Garnish and serve. To serve, turn the pastilla out onto a plate and dust with the icing sugar and decorate with cinnamon. It is recommended to eat it while it is warm and the phyllo dough is still crispy.